Hi, I'm James from Finding Country and you've joined me here today on the sought after golf lane in Leamington Spa, where we've got this fantastic home, loads of parking on a generous plot with plenty of scope subject to planning permission to extend the home, and at the rear absolutely extensive delightful rear gardens which open out onto countryside. Let's take a look inside. You've joined me in the main garden of this fantastic home, which as you can see is a generous size, but we've got a hidden gem at the rear. Let's take a look. And here we are, we've got a second back garden, real generous size, loads of options, backing onto open countryside and allotments next door. If you'd like more information to view this amazing home, please contact me on the details that follow. Thank you for watching.